Hi everyone, we are Team Null and I am here to present our project ZenCrypto.
Crypto trading is generally exciting for a lot of people, especially beginners. And people tend to do a lot of mistakes. But in trading, mistakes comes with a cost. So to solve this problem, we have created ZenCrypto. ZenCrypto is a trading platform where we can simulate the actual trading before going into the real world trading. And we have used real-time data to mimic the actual market conditions. Let's see the core features of ZenCrypto. Real-time market data. A user can see the current market price of any cryptocurrency in market. We also have a portfolio where to manage the to track the investments of a particular user. We have a watch list to track the favorites of a favorite cryptocurrency of a user, and we have used JWT, the JSON Web Tokens, for secure authentication. Let's see the tech stacks now. For the front end, we have used React. For the back end, we have used Node.js. For database, we have used MySQL. And for authentication, we have used JWT. Let's see the entity relationship model of ZenCrypto. We have five entities here: user portfolio, transaction history, user watch list, and stocks. Let's see each and every entities in detail now. User have the information of each and every user, and user portfolio is an entity where we are going to store the buy and sell history of a particular user. Next, we have a transaction history where we are going to see the history of the transaction, the information like transaction date, transaction type will be stored in transaction history. And we have another entity called user watch list where we are going to store the favorite cryptocurrencies for a user. And at last, we have the stocks. This is an entity where you're going to store the information of the stock. Now we have seen the entities. Now let's see the relationships between these entities. Now we have user and user portfolio. User and user portfolio relationship is a one-to-many relationship. And why it is a one-to-many relationship? Because each and every user can have multiple buy and sell of different stocks. So it is a many side in the user portfolio, but each and every buy or sell must be associated with only one user. So it is a one in the user side. Same explanation can be given for user relationship between user and transaction history, user and watch list also. Let's see the relationship between user portfolio and stocks. This is a many-to-many relationship, and how it is a many-to-many relationship because each and every buy and sell can like each and every entries or each and every user can have many stocks. But we have a particular stock can also be associated with many users also. So it is a many-to-many relationship. And next, stocks and the relationship between stocks and transaction history is also many one-to-many relationship. And next, the last relationship is stocks and user watch list, which is a many-to-many relationship. Same in the case of stocks and user portfolio. Let's see the relational model of the Zen crypto. We have five relations here. First relation, user have an ID, username, email, and password, where ID is a primary key. User portfolio is another relation which has user ID, asset symbol, asset name, quantity, total value, and the average price. Here, user ID and asset symbols are foreign keys. Transaction history is another relation that has a ID, which is a primary key, transaction type, transaction date, asset name, asset symbol, quantity, price, and user ID. Here, asset symbol and user ID are foreign keys. User watch list has user ID, asset symbol, and asset name. User ID and asset symbol is a foreign key here. And stocks is the last relation that has ID, which is a primary key, and a symbol, which is also a primary key. And along with that, we have company name and price. Let's see the working of the project now.
This is the walkthrough of our cryptocurrency trading simulator app. Currently, I'm at the login page, so I'll log in with my email ID. So this is the landing page at the dashboard of our ZenCrypto app. On top of that, we have the search bar where users can search for some specific cryptocurrency. For example, if I type ETH, it will return all the cryptocurrency that has a subsequence with it. So it has an autocomplete feature. And below that, we have listed some of the major market indices like Bitcoin or Ethereum to let the users know the quick review of the market. So next up, we have the profile page. This is where users can manage their credentials. For example, if I wish to change my username, then I can do that with update username. For example, if I type something else over here, the username is updated as we can see. And same goes for the password. You type in the current password and the new one, and you can update the password. Now let's take a look at the portfolio page. This is where users can track all of their crypto assets they own. So currently I don't have any assets right now, so I'll go to the indices page. Now on going to the indices page, it provides a comprehensive list of all the cryptocurrencies. So these are listed in the decreasing order of their market cap values. So suppose I click Bitcoin, the user is brought to this detailed trading page. So on the left side, we display all the essential information about the selected coin. For example, the rank, current price, 24-hour change percentage, market cap value, volume. Then on the right side, we have a dynamic price chart section. So users can choose to view performance over the different time periods. For example, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, and so on. And users can also switch to line chart to visualize it differently. So yeah. So on the left side, on the bottom of the detailed info of the coin, you can see the options to buy it. So I will buy some quantities of Bitcoin. It says purchase successful, and I'll also put it into the watch list. So yeah, so that's about this detailed page. So this page helps user to evaluate the crypto asset in detail before making any virtual trades or investment decisions. So now on going back to the portfolio page, you can see the Bitcoin assets that we have, a Bitcoin of quantity 2, and average price, current price, and the profit or loss if I sell it now. So I have the options either to buy or sell it, either to buy more shares of this or to sell it. So I will sell one quantity of this Bitcoin. It says sell successful. So that's about the portfolio page. This gives a user a clear at glance of a view of how their portfolio is performing, making the feeling simulation real and engaging. So let's move on to the watchlist page. So this section allows the user to monitor the cryptocurrencies they are interested in without actually owning them. So this also gives out the details like current price or 24-hour change percentage. And if you wish to remove a particular cryptocurrency from the watch list, then you can do that by this option. So it is removed from the watch list successfully. So this lets the user stay updated on market movers, and they might want to buy later without cluttering their portfolio. So that's about the watch list data. Now let's check out the transaction history page. Here you can view a log of all of your trades. Each row shows the asset, the type of transaction, quantity, price, and the date it was executed. And also to narrow down your view, you can filter the records. So you can click on show by to only show the type of transaction that is only by. Yeah, social similarly. There is also an option to list the transaction based on their date. So the first transaction made will be listed, the first, the second, and so on. So this page helps you to track your trading activity over time, making it easy to evaluate your strategies or check transaction accuracy. Now going to the About page, users can see the details of our project, the technologies involved, and about the team. So our project is about crypto stock simulation and trading web app. It's built as a CS project by 5 students at DBMS. We have created a safe space for you to learn, practice cryptocurrency trading without any financial risk. So these are the technologies that we have used. MySQL database for the backend, Node.js, React Frontend, JWT authentication. Here are some of the key features. So it brings real-time data, the prices, 24-hour change percentage, secure trading, portfolio tracking, risk-free learning. So this is about the team and what each of their role is on the project. And that concludes our walkthrough of our ZenCrypto app, complete cryptocurrency trading simulation platform designed to help users to learn, explore, experiment with crypto markets in a risk-free environment. Thank you.